To take the serpentine belt off, we're going to loosen up the pulley bolt right down here, and that's a 15mm wrench. Loosen it up, and then we will take a 15mm socket and loosen up the bolts. And that'll take the tension off the belt, and we can take the belt off. 15mm socket. Take the tensioner right off that belt. Now you can just take the belt right off one of the smooth pulleys. So I just included a picture of the routing of the Serp belt. So let's do it. We have the alternator down below, an idler pulley on the other side of that. So I'm going to guide it through. Now you have it over the alternator and the fan clutch pulley. Guide it down the harmonic balancer. And then over the water pump pulley. You got to keep tension on it if you can at all times. Make sure it stays in the groove. Around the power steering pump. And then up over the tensioner. Slide it right over that tensioner. Perfect. Just double check before you start it up. Make sure it's in all the grooves. Line up with the grooves. It looks good. Now I can tighten my tensioner. Don't forget that when you tighten up this part of the pulley, it's going to give it a little bit more tension also. So I like to, rule of thumb, be able to turn the belt about 1/4 of a turn in all places, because you don't want to wear the bearings out. And then we can snug that up and we'll check it, see how it goes. 15mm wrench or socket. Because as you tighten this, it will snug that belt up a little bit more. What I like to do is just give this one tweak with that tight. And now I can check the belt. That's perfect.